A flutter of wings, a buzz of delight welcoming pollinators to your garden. Imagine stepping into your garden and being greeted by a symphony of buzzing bees and fluttering butterflies. Picture vibrant blooms dancing in the gentle breeze, their colors as diverse as the pollinators they attract. This magical scene can be your reality. By creating a pollinator-friendly garden, you can transform your outdoor space into a haven for these essential creatures while reaping the rewards of their presence. The unsung heroes of our gardens, why pollinators matter. Pollinators such as bees, butterflies and hoverflies play a crucial role in our ecosystem. They are responsible for pollinating a vast majority of our fruits, vegetables and flowering plants. Without these buzzing helpers, our gardens would be less colorful, our plates less full, and our planet's biodiversity would suffer. By creating a welcoming environment for pollinators, we are not only supporting their survival, but also ensuring the health and abundance of our natural world. Creating a feast for butterflies and bees in your garden is easier than you might think. Top plant picks. Attracting pollinators to your garden starts with providing a diverse and delicious menu of nectar-rich flowers. These flowers not only add beauty to your garden, but also play a crucial role in supporting the ecosystem. Butterflies are particularly drawn to brightly colored blooms with large petals that provide a stable landing platform. Flowers like zinnias, marigolds, and cosmos are excellent choices for attracting these delicate creatures. Some favorite butterfly-attracting plants include lavender, with its fragrant purple spikes, and buddlejas, affectionately known as the butterfly bush for their irresistible appeal. These plants not only attract butterflies, but also add a lovely fragrance to your garden. Bees, on the other hand, are drawn to a wider range of flowers, including those with single petals that allow easy access to nectar. Flowers like daisies, coneflowers, and black-eyed Susans are particularly appealing to bees. Consider planting sunflowers with their cheerful yellow faces and borage, whose star-shaped blue flowers are a favorite among bumblebees. These plants not only provide food for pollinators, but also bring vibrant colors and textures to your garden. Section 4. Designing your pollinator paradise, a step-by-step guide. Creating a pollinator-friendly garden is a rewarding endeavor that can be achieved by following a few simple steps. Not only does it benefit the environment, but it also brings vibrant life and color to your outdoor space. Firstly, choose a sunny location, as most pollinators thrive in warm and bright environments. A spot that receives at least 6 hours of sunlight a day is ideal for attracting a variety of pollinators. Next, select a variety of plants that bloom at different times throughout the year, ensuring a continuous supply of nectar from spring to autumn. This diversity not only supports pollinators, but also keeps your garden looking beautiful all year round. When arranging your plants, group them in clusters of the same species and color, as this makes it easier for pollinators to spot their preferred food sources. Clustering also creates a more visually appealing garden layout. Finally, provide a source of water, such as a shallow dish filled with pebbles and water for pollinators to quench their thirst. This simple addition can make your garden a haven for bees, butterflies, and other beneficial insects. Section 5. Reaping the rewards, the joys of a pollinator-friendly garden. Creating a pollinator-friendly garden is a rewarding experience that extends far beyond the beauty it brings to your outdoor space. It's a sanctuary for bees, butterflies, and other pollinators, offering them a safe haven to thrive. By providing a haven for these essential creatures, you are contributing to the health of our planet and ensuring the future of our food supply. Pollinators play a crucial role in the ecosystem, aiding in the reproduction of plants and the production of fruits and vegetables. In return, you will be rewarded with a vibrant and buzzing garden filled with the sights and sounds of nature's most fascinating creatures. The colors and movements of these pollinators add a dynamic element to your garden, making it a living, breathing work of art. Imagine relaxing in your garden, surrounded by the gentle hum of bees and the fluttering wings of butterflies, knowing that you have made a difference in the world, one flower at a time. Your efforts not only create a beautiful space, but also support biodiversity and environmental sustainability.